Thank you for watching. You can download this recipe via the description link below this video. This is a simple but delicious recipe that is easy to make. Let's start. Mix the steak strips with soy sauce, olive oil, pepper, and the hot sauce, and set aside to marinate. Cook the potatoes in boiling salted water for 8 minutes. In a large pan over medium-high heat, mix 1 tablespoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon butter. When the butter is melted, add the potatoes and cook for about 4 minutes until the potatoes are golden and fork tender. Set aside. Add the remaining 2 tablespoons butter, garlic, red chili pepper flakes, and fresh herbs in the pan, and lay the steak strips in one layer. Keep the drained marinade for later. Cook the meat on both sides until nicely browned, or to your own taste. Stir in the rest of the marinade before the steak is done, and cook for another minute. Add the potatoes back to the pan and add salt and pepper if needed. Remove the pan from the heat and garnish with more crushed chili pepper, fresh herbs, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Serve and enjoy. If you have a recipe request, leave it in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the like button or subscribe to our channel. Thanks!